Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration. You walk into your bedroom after a long, exhausting day. The world outside is chaotic, full of noise, stress, and never-ending to-do lists. But the moment you step into your personal retreat, a wave of tranquility washes over you. Why? Because your bedroom is a sanctuary, designed with soothing colors that instantly calm your mind and body. Choosing the right color palette is more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a peaceful environment where you can truly unwind. In today's video, we're diving into the most calming color combinations for small bedrooms in 2025. These color pairings will not only make your space feel more serene, but also visually expand the room, making it feel open, airy, and restful. So let's get started. Soft sage green and warm beige. Let's start with one of the most grounding and refreshing combinations, soft sage green paired with warm beige. Sage green has been a rising trend in home decor, and it's no surprise why. It mimics the soothing elements of nature, bringing a sense of balance and calm to your space. When combined with warm beige, the overall effect is cozy yet airy, ideal for small bedrooms. The green provides a gentle, restorative vibe, while the beige keeps the space feeling light and inviting. How to incorporate it? Opt for beige walls with sage green bedding and curtains. Add in some natural textures like a woven jute rug or wooden nightstands to enhance the organic feel of the space. This combination works beautifully in both modern and rustic styles. Powder blue and crisp white. If you love the idea of a light, airy bedroom that evokes the tranquility of the sky and sea, then powder blue and crisp white are the perfect pair. Powder blue is a delicate shade that instantly brings a sense of relaxation, while crisp white enhances brightness and keeps the space feeling open, an essential feature for small bedrooms. To bring this look to life, consider painting your walls in a soft powder blue and keeping your furniture and bedding predominantly white. You can add depth with subtle textures, think linen duvets, soft wool throws, and sheer white curtains that let natural light filter through gently. The result? A peaceful retreat that feels fresh and timeless. Muted lavender and light gray. For those who appreciate a touch of elegance with their calm, muted lavender and light gray make for a dreamy combination. Lavender has natural stress-relieving properties and can promote relaxation, while light gray serves as a sophisticated neutral that keeps the space feeling modern and uncluttered. To use this combination effectively, opt for light gray walls with lavender bedding and decor accents. A plush lavender throw, soft lavender-toned artwork, or even a lavender-scented candle can enhance the ambience. This color duo is especially lovely for those who want a gentle, feminine, yet not overly sweet aesthetic. By the way, if you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like this video and leave a comment letting me know which color combo is your favorite. Warm taupe and blush pink. For those who want a warm, inviting retreat, a combination of warm taupe and blush pink is a sophisticated yet cozy choice. Taupe, with its earthy undertones, creates a grounded and soothing backdrop, while blush pink adds a soft, romantic touch without feeling overly vibrant. If you want to use this combination effectively, try taupe walls with blush pink bedding and decor. A chunky knit throw-in blush, paired with taupe upholstered furniture, will make the space feel luxuriously calm. Keep the lighting warm and diffused for a truly tranquil atmosphere. Soft white and light sand. Finally, if you love a minimalistic and serene aesthetic, you can never go wrong with soft white and light sand. This combination is inspired by coastal and Scandinavian design, creating a bedroom that feels airy, peaceful, and effortlessly chic. To bring this palette into your bedroom, use soft white as your primary wall color and incorporate light sand tones through bedding, rugs, and wooden furniture. Layering in natural materials like linen, rattan, or stone will add warmth and texture without overwhelming the space. This is the perfect combination for those who crave a clutter-free, calming retreat. There you have it, 5 of the most calming color combinations for small bedrooms in 2025. Whether you gravitate toward the refreshing feel of sage and beige, the airy appeal of powder blue and white, or the sophisticated charm of taupe and blush, each of these palettes is designed to help you create a peaceful, restful environment. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary, a place where you can truly relax and escape from the outside world. The colors you choose play a huge role in how the space makes you feel, so take the time to pick the one that speaks to your sense of calm. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more home decor inspiration. And tell me in the comments, which of these color combinations is your favorite? Or do you have another go-to calming color palette for your bedroom? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, happy decorating!